Safety.
Hello kiddos! Are you excited to learn our cursive letter of the day? Say yes! Yes, I am ready. Let's start. Today's capital cursive letter of the day is the letter T. How do we write the cursive capital T? Let me ask you a question. Do you remember how we learned to write the cursive capital F? Remember, we looked at the flagpole with the flag of our country and we learned to write it like this. Similarly, we are going to look at the flagpole and learn to write the cursive capital T. Let's start. We will start at the top left of the flag and draw a sleeping line to the right to the flagpole, like this. And then we will draw a downward standing line to the base of the flagpole, like this, and make a little curve at the bottom. And here we have it, the cursive capital letter T. Come on, let's try in our notebooks. Let's remember the flagpole and try writing it between the lines. We will start at the top red line. We will draw a sleeping line to the right, and then from this point we will draw a downward standing line to the bottom blue line and make a little curve like this. And that's it. Here we have it, the cursive capital letter T. Wasn't that easy? Now let's place the cursive capital letter F on the left and compare it. What is the difference? I will give you 3 seconds to notice it. 1, 2, 3. That's right. The cursive capital letter F has a line that goes across it, and the cursive capital letter T does not. I hope you had fun learning how to write the cursive capital letter T. Come on, let's pull out our notebooks and try writing it with a pencil and paper.